welcome to a new video of Made by Siem. I just received another package from iShards, and this was a sponsored package. I ordered quite a few different kinds of yarn at iShards, and they decided that they wanted to ship it to me in portions of a few packs per shipping. So today I received a package with 3 different kinds of yarn. 2 yarns are all new yarns, but 2 of them are I'm familiar with, and 1 is new to me. And they did send me a gift, a beautiful gift. First of all, when I opened the package in my Dutch video, this is the one I saw. It is the Baby Puffy White Baby Blue. Now, I ordered this because I had plans to do something with this specific yarn. I wanted it to combine it with another yarn, but as soon as they were ready to ship this one to me, the other one is already sold out. At least the color that I requested was sold out. So I have to change my plans with the different yarn. But I already know what I'm going to do. I'm going to make the same project that I have in mind, but with different yarn. This yarn is ridiculous soft. It is so soft. I thought it would be different when I saw it on their website, but it is even better than I could ever dreamed of. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. Super nice. You have this in solid colors, but like as you can see, this one has the white and the baby blue in just one skein. I cannot wait to start working with this yarn. Super nice. Baby Puffy, 100% micro polyester, 100 grams and 100 meters per ball of yarn. Knitting needles 4 to 5 millimeters are suggested, and it is a medium worsted weight number 4 yarn. It comes in a pack of 4 skeins. And they do have this in a lot of different colors. I'm just going to show you the colors that are available as we speak. So today, when I'm recording this video, it is April the 20th. April the 20th, 2020. I'm not sure if it is on sale. It is a new yarn. But I'm going to show you the price that it is today in dollars and euros. But the euro price can be different because of the exchange rate that is different every single day. So it will be a few cents difference maybe for you if you order in euros. Baby Puffy White Baby Blue. 4 skeins per pack. So this is pack number 1. Then, one of my favorite iShards. It is one of their new yarns, and it became one of my favorites. I use this yarn for the IXS mat, which IXS, I looked it up, and I have a funny story about the IXS mat. The IXS mat, I'm going to show you guys. The name of the mat was spelled Saskia, which is one of my friend's name, but backwards. And then I looked it up, and it was just a coincidence. It means in Hindi entering, something like that. I'm gonna look it up. But for me, that was like the perfect name for the mat that I made. Well, all right. It has nothing to do with the yarn, but I used a fluffy yarn, the same yarn for the border, the edging, which is the Cakes Panda. Now, I use it in the, I think it was purple, and this one is called Orchid. I'm not quite sure if this color is really orchid, but nevertheless, the color is beautiful. I love, love, love it. Cakes Panda, super soft, fantastic for borders, for amigurumi bears. You know, if you want to have a really fluffy bear, super soft, this is the yarn that you want to have. 100% microfiber, 100 grams, 100 meters per ball of yarn, per cake I should say. 6 to 7 millimeters knitting needles are suggested, and it is a super bulky number 6 yarn. Super nice. I love this yarn. Trying to show you guys what it looks like. There you go. I love it. I'm working on another project with this color. It is the off-white or ecru, not sure. Beautiful yarn. It comes in a pack of 3 cakes. They do have it in quite a few different colors that I'm going to show you just across the screen right now. And yeah, this is one of my favorite yarns. It is a new yarn, but already one of my favorites. I love it. Love, love, love it. Then, another yarn that I bought, I think I bought it myself, a pack of that yarn. I love the Lorena yarns. You have Lorena Superfine or Extra Fine. You have the normal Lorena, and you have the Lorena Worsted. And then there is the Lorena Print as well. Well, I've used the Lorena Worsted for the Santa Projects baskets. You can use it in another color, and it is just a normal project basket or a cover for a flower pot or whatever you want to use it for. Super, super nice. I'm going to show you a picture of the colors of the Lorena Worsted that they have right now. But today I received the Lorena. It's a new yarn. It's thinner than the Lorena Worsted, but it's thicker than the Lorena Extra Fine. This is the Lorena Orchid. Soft yarn. It's a blend of 50% cotton and 50% acrylic. 100 grams, 280 meters. Knitting needles 3 to 4 millimeters are suggested, and they say it's a number 2 yarn. Super nice. I love this yarn. I started with a project that I need this color for too, and yeah, I fell in love with this yarn. So I want to buy more colors of this yarn myself. I love it. It is perfect for so many things. Like the Lorena Worsted, in my opinion, that one is not really for making clothing. Maybe you think differently, so you should give it a try. But this one is like perfect yarn for clothing. Super, super nice. It comes in a pack of 4 skeins. Super nice. And they do have quite a few colors as well. Love it. And look how these two match really, really good. I like that. Okay. I just told you about the Lorena print. This was actually all that was in the package plus another gift, but I'm going to show you the gift later on. The other day I bought a package of the Lorena prints because the colors made me really happy on the screen. Look at that. This is what the Lorena print looks like. Now, they say this one is a medium, this is a, not medium, this is a lightweight number 3, a DK yarn. I'm not sure because the thickness is actually equal, almost equal to the normal Lorena. This one has a 50 grams per skein and 160 meters. So you would think that it would be thinner than this one, but yeah, it's like almost the same. But this one has 55% cotton and this one 50% and 45 acrylic and this one 50 acrylic. And it's a super happy looking ball of yarn. Yeah, I just wanted to show you guys this one as well. They do have this one in different colors too. I'm going to show you a picture of all the beautiful colors that they have at this very moment. Love it. Right, so thank you Ice Yarns for sending these beautiful skeins of yarn that I will turn into lovely projects very soon. So thank you for that. And then they sent me down below into the package that I received, there was a gift. If you're looking at this video, like, you know, in a year or two, then you instantly know in what position we are worldwide at this very moment when I show you this. They sent me, or they probably send this to more of the customers, the mask. It says, "Stay safe and strong, we love you." Well, Ice Yarns, I can tell you one thing, I love you guys too. I love all your yarns. I love the company. I love Ice Yarns. So thank you so much. It is a washable and reusable mask, soft and elastic, fixed size and antibacterial. It's a gift from Ice Yarns. Look at that. Sweet, sweet. Please wash your mask before you use. And this is what is inside the super nice mask. I will try it out later on after I washed it. So thank you for this fantastic gift. I love it. And thank you for all these beautiful yarns. Well, if you want to buy Ice Yarns, I'm going to put all the details or all the links from these yarns down below into the description box of this video. And I would like to ask you guys, if you want to buy Ice Yarns, can you please use my link? I would really appreciate it. If these 3 yarns are not up your alley, then I would like to invite you just to go via one of my links, to go to the website and see if there is something that you like, because they have over 5,000 different kinds of yarn. I've tried a lot of their yarns, and you know, I have to be honest, you cannot love everything, but I love a lot that I tried from Ice Yarns. Ice Yarns actually is my favorite brand. So they do ship worldwide, and that is if you are able to receive packages from Turkey. You have the express shipping and the expedite shipping. Now, for the express shipping to the Netherlands, I never ever paid for any duties. Never ever. and I've ordered quite a few packs of yarn. But now for the expedite shipping, it is different, because now they charge you for import duties, or import fees, I should say. I cannot figure out why it is, but I think it has something to do with the shipping company that they use for the slower shipping. There's just one thing I can say. If you want to have your yarn quick or fast, then go for the express shipping. Always look at your shopping basket, which option is cheaper for you. Sometimes it's even cheaper, including the import fees as well, and sometimes the express shipping is cheaper. Just go and have a look and see what what you want. I cannot give you any advice at all on how many packages you should order for which shipping price, because sometimes things change overnight, and sometimes it doesn't. So I still go for 5 to 6 package when I order myself. But just go and see what suits you best. If you want to buy ice yarns, it's not up to me to tell you guys how many packages you should buy, or for which express or the expedite shipping you should go. I can only give you the advice what I should do, and I would go for the express shipping to the Netherlands, which is quick, because usually when I order before 3 o'clock my time, then I will receive it the next day if I go for the express shipping. So see what you think, what suits you best. That's all I can tell you about that. Now, ice yarns is cheap. The yarn is cheap. The shipping costs are a little on the expensive side, but if you divide, if you count all the skeins of yarn that you have, and the price for that, and then the shipping price as well, and you divide the total amount by all the skeins that you ordered, and then think again what you think of the total price. I still think it's cheap, but I live in the Netherlands, so good yarn is expensive, guys. Good yarn is expensive, but not at ice yarns. Anyhow, ice yarns, thank you so much again for all these beautiful yarns. I love you guys too. Thank you for the mask. Guys, if you want to have a look at the website of ice yarns, please do not forget to use my link, and have fun. Enjoy. Bye for now. And stay safe.